Way too hot for this update to be outside, so we're going to do it inside in the AC. Now, if you don't remember, this is the tire from off of my motorcycle. It's a little worn. You could say it's pretty worn, especially right here where there's about 12 inches of pure fur. I don't know what that is. Some kind of fur hair that is in there, to the point where I can actually stick my finger out of it. That's how worn it is. But I'm going to fix it. And I've gotten some great tips from you guys. So right now, I've got some wire zip ties. I'm going to run that through to zip tie it. Now, duct tape always works for MacGyver. So we got some duct tape that we put on there. We got some black spray paint. We're going to spray on there just so the cops don't see that pink coming down the road. And then we've got our Fix-A-Flat. And I'm going to show you how I fix this tire. I can put my finger through, and I'm going to use it on my motorcycle. Now I've got the tape on. I put on a little extra tape, and I've got my earbuds on, because once I start this up, she's a beast, so you may not be able to hear me, but yes, I'm riding without a helmet, without shades. I'll put my shades on, and I am barefoot. I would ride my motorcycle naked if I could get away with it, so go ahead and make your comments about that. But what you really want to make your comments about is how I put that tire with a hole on it on the front of the bike. So we're going to make sure that the pink tape stays on before we waste any further black paint. So let's see. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? I think it is. I think it is. Let's go around. Kickstand down in soft grass and lose my bike. So I'm going to put it right there. And look at that. Look at that. Don't tell me you can't fix a busted tire. That tire's good as new. It's good as new. Love it.